So my goats got free. FML. There they are. I have no idea how to get these guys back into any enclosure, and they're right on the road. And they're so skittish. The male will eat out of my hand, but the female is scared of everything. And if she takes off running, he follows her. I'm gonna try, I want them just to go along the fence line and maybe find their way back into this pasture over here. They might just try to jump it, which scares me because, oh wow, they just went right under it. They just went right under the barbed wire. God, this thing doesn't keep them in at all. I thought this fence would keep these goats in. Hey Don. Don's pretty friendly, but if she runs, it's over. He probably thinks I have grain right now. But they just went right under that barbed wire. Oh man. He went right through that like nothing. They're so tiny. Well, this is actually the first. This is the first time they've actually been in the pasture I want them in. Oh my God. These things got away from us the moment we got them. This pasture wasn't nearly as ready as I thought it was for these goats. I didn't think they would want to escape so badly if they had everything they needed. But these guys have just been all over the property. They don't stay put. They move constantly, and I have no way to keep them in. I've got the electric fencing on the way, and I'm just hoping that I can catch them somewhere when it all gets here and try to build a fence around them slowly at a distance. I'm clueless. These guys are the bane of my existence. You too. That's the Dawn right there, the male. And that's Daisy. The Dawn and Daisy. Those who get it, and those who don't, well, it's alright. But, like, I guess now I gotta go get their food. Man, they've been in the barn. And that's where I need them because it's been storming and it's gonna storm the next 2 days. And these little guys are just everywhere. I don't know why they're out here right now. They've got buckets with grain and water where they've been in the barn. And it's not in my barn, they're in my neighbor's barn right now. So, oh man, how do I get these guys in? I don't know. All right.